Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you know how important it is to manage your assets securely. Today, we're tackling a straightforward tutorial: how to withdraw Ethereum from crypto.com to your Phantom wallet. This process is quick, but always remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so double-check everything to keep your funds safe. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the crypto.com app installed on your phone and that you're logged into your account. If you haven't already, add your Phantom wallet address to your notes for easy access. It's a long string, so don't mistype it. Step 1. Open the crypto.com app and head to your dashboard. Find your Ethereum balance by tapping on the Wallets or Assets section. Once you spot your ETH, select it and look for the Withdraw button. It's usually right there, waiting for you. Next, you'll need to choose the withdrawal network. For Ethereum, make sure it's set to the Ethereum network. Phantom Wallet supports this, but always verify to avoid any issues. Now, enter the amount of ETH you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be network fees, so check your balance to cover those. Then, paste in your Phantom wallet address. This is crucial. Copy it directly from your Phantom app to prevent errors. Hit Confirm and review the details one last time. You'll get a confirmation code or prompt. Enter it to finalize the transaction. Once that's done, switch over to your Phantom wallet app. It might take a few minutes for the ETH to show up, depending on network congestion. And voila, your Ethereum is now in your Phantom wallet, ready for staking, trading, or whatever your crypto plans are. A quick tip: always use hardware wallets for long-term storage if you're dealing with larger amounts. If you run into any hiccups, crypto.com's support is pretty helpful. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides. See you next time.